Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. It's a 43-inch Panasonic LED TV that comes to repair for the fault. Sound okay, no picture issue. While checking, here we found that the issue with the backlight. So while checking with the LED checker, here you can notice that only some of the LEDs are working. There are total 3 LED strips in this TV. So while trying to repair with backlight related fault, it is always recommended to replace the entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetition in same complaint. So here, while checking with the LED checker, we found that only some of the backlights are working. So here, the one and only solution is backlight replacement. We need to replace the entire backlights with new one to solve this fault. See friends, you can see on the topmost LED, only one LED is working. So because of that, we need to replace these 3 LED strips with new one for solving this issue. See friends, here we take 3 new LED strips for replacing the old faulty backlights. See friends, finally here we fixed the 3 new LED backlight strips. Now let us fix this properly. After that, we need to fix the diffuser sheets, panel and panel frame back to TV. See friends, now we placed the panel diffuser sheet. See, finally here we fixed the panel, LVDS cable, all sockets back to TV. Now in this condition, let us fix the back cover properly. See friends, here you can see the final result. Now the TV is turned on, the picture comes and the backlight is working properly. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.